So what I've got here is the PDMAX 67W GaN wall charger. It's got two USB-C ports, one USB-A port, and it's great for charging things like laptops if they charge via USB, tablets, cell phones, smartwatches, earbuds, etc. Now let's have a quick look at the side here. A couple things I wanted to point out. It does have the charging protection, and it's QC 3.0, PD 3.0, PPS, and it says ultra compact. We'll have a look at the size in a moment. And then it's got a 24-month warranty. If we flip this around here as well, you can see all the devices it says it's compatible with, and it'll be compatible with a whole lot more than that as well. And if you do want to see the input and output of the device, so the power ratings there, you can pause it here and have a closer look. Let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box, of course, we've got the user manual and then the charger itself. So PDMAX 67W, and it's got the prongs here that fold down like that. You can fold them away when you're not using it. It feels fairly heavy duty. Feels like it's going to hold up for a long time. Nice, small, compact. And then on the end here, of course, the two USB-C ports, 67W max, and then an 18W max USB-A port. We'll have a quick look at the actual size of the unit. So roughly about just under 2¼ inches by about 1 3/4 or a little less. And then the width there is just under 1¼ inch. So nice small little compact unit, great for traveling or just using every day for your laptop or your phone, cell phones, earbuds, all that kind of stuff. Again, that's the PDMAX 67W GaN charger.